Customizing a completion certificate. Once someone has completed one of your quizzes, ProProfs allows you to automatically provide the quiz taker with a certificate of completion. ProProfs does include a template certificate that you can use, but also allows you to upload and customize your own certificates with your own branding and signature. To get started, go to My Quizzes after logging into ProProfs. Next, click on Edit Settings under your quiz's title. Scroll to the bottom of the page and you will see a section titled Presentation with a subsection titled Customize Quiz Report and Certificate. If this box is unchecked, your quiz takers will receive the standard template certificate. To use your own certificate or customize the standard template, check the box. New options will now appear that will allow you to decide the criteria that needs to be met in order for a certificate to be displayed, such as the minimum score needed. If the quiz taker scores below the required threshold, you can use our Customize Result feature to offer a custom message to that quiz taker. To do this, simply scroll up the page to the Results section and choose Customize from the drop-down. You can now offer different custom messages for any range of scores your quiz takers may get. If you would like to customize your certificate further, click on Customize Certificate. The first option is Add your name to our certificate template. Clicking this will allow you to type in your company's name, which will be displayed on the standard template. You can see this by clicking on Preview Certificate. For full customization of your certificate, click on the second option, which is Design Your Own Certificate. Next, click on Upload a File, browse to and select the certificate you would like to upload, and then click on Customize Your Certificate. Because you are uploading your own certificate, it can include anything you want, including your own colors, branding, and even your signature. You can now click and drag placeholder fields anywhere you want for the quiz taker's ID, name, the title of the quiz, the score received, and the date. If you decide not to include one of these fields, simply drag it back to the placeholders box. You can further customize the fields by selecting them and changing their font size, font color, as well as changing text to bold or italic. To see how your customized certificate will look, click on Preview. In this sample, you will see that the date is placed improperly. To fix any errors like this, click on Close this preview, make the needed adjustments, and then click on Preview again. Once you're satisfied with the results, click on Close this preview and then on Save and Continue. You will then get notification that your custom certificate has been added to the quiz. Make sure to click on the Save button at the bottom of the settings page or your custom certificate will not be saved. Once a quiz taker completes a quiz with a high enough score, they will receive an online certificate. Also, if you have email notification turned on, they can also get their certificate from their notification email. To turn on email notification, go to the Notifications tab, check this box, and select whether you want people to receive just their certificate or their score and certificate. Once a quiz taker has their certificate, they can share it through social media or email, print it, or embed it on a website or blog. If you want to remove the sharing feature, go back to your Customized Certificate section and uncheck this box. Finally, if you do not want a completion certificate to be shown at all, go to Show Completion Certificate. On the drop-down, choose Never, and your quiz taker will never see a certificate. Thanks for watching this video on customizing your completion certificate, and thanks for choosing ProProfs.